I'm NASA Kennedy's Francisco Martin, and I'm outside KSC taking you inside KSC.
NASA's Mars Perseverance rover is getting closer to launch. Engineers and technicians attach the aeroshell backshell to the rover and attach the rover to its rocket-powered descent stage. The rover and descent stage were the first spacecraft components to come together for launch, and they will be the last to separate when the spacecraft reaches Mars on February 18, 2021. The rover is scheduled to lift off aboard a United Launch Alliance Atlas V rocket in mid-July from Cape Canaveral Air Force Station. NASA's Launch Services program based at Kennedy is managing the launch. Painting of the NASA logo, also called the meatball, is underway on the 525-foot-tall Vehicle Assembly Building, or VAB. The U.S. flag on the iconic building also will be repainted. Exploration Ground Systems is overseeing upgrades to the VAB to support the launch of the Space Launch System and Orion for Artemis missions. Under the Artemis program, NASA will send the first woman and next man to the moon. A large majority of the Kennedy workforce continues the job from home. Here's how some of your colleagues are getting the job done. We want to see what your new office looks like. Whether you've taken over your kitchen table or turned a spare room into your workspace, send a picture of you working from home to the KSC newsroom with the subject line, How I Telework, for a chance to be featured in Inside KSC. Please also include your name and organization when sending the email.
For more Inside KSC, check us out on social media or online at nasa.gov/Kennedy.